Hello guys, let's look at the next problem. It's based on functions. So as you can see in the statement, it's quite a complex statement with cube roots involved and squares involved in the denominators, and we have to find the sum of these functions up to 599. So it seems quite difficult. We cannot just go ahead and put all the values 1, 3, 5 and just then add up. So we have to figure out some relationship, or we have to basically simplify the main function. So how can we simplify it? Basically, from where I can see, or everybody should see, it's like square of x plus 1. The denominator has one term which is square of x plus 1. Second term is, if we break down x square minus 1, it is x minus 1 into x plus 1. And the third term is x minus 1 whole square, right? So somehow, so these are the simplified forms of these three bigger equations, right? So how can we eliminate the cube root? Basically, the problem is with the cube root. How can we eliminate it? Just by, if we take x plus 1 to be equal to a cube and x minus 1 to be equal to b cube, then this cube root will get eliminated, right? And we can put these values over within the second term as well, right? We can put a cube in place of x plus 1 and b cube in place of x minus 1 for the second term also. So let's just put these values and see how it goes. So first term is x plus 1. First let's simplify it. It's 2 by 3. So, and the second term is x minus 1 cube root into x plus 1 cube root, and the third term is x minus 1 cube root, right? So if we put these values from here, so x plus 1, it will become, the first term will become a square, second term will be, what will be x minus 1 restored 1 by 3, it will be b, the second term will be a, so ba, and this will become b, right? So it's quite a simplified form. Now if we think of, this is b square, so if we think of this term, what can be, like, is it, are you able to remember something? Like, do we see this factor somewhere? Yes, if you think of it, a cube minus b cube is given by a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? So we can replace the denominator by, we will take a minus b to the denominator and we'll replace it. So it will become 1 over, or a minus b will be in the denominator, yeah, a cube minus b cube in the denominator, and in the numerator it will be a minus b, right? So here that it goes to, let's just cut it, it goes to numerator a minus b. When we'll replace a square plus ab plus b square over here, it will go to the numerator, right? A minus b will go to the numerator. So this is quite a simplified form, right? So now what can we do further to simplify? If we replace with actual x values, if we replace a and b with these values, let's see what it becomes. It will become, so I'm rewriting again. Now we have equation a minus b divided by a cube minus b cube. What if we just replace it again by x? So a will be x plus 1 cube root minus x minus 1 cube root. And what will be a cube minus b cube? Why we are replacing back with x function? Because I am clearly seeing a cube minus b cube will be equal to 2, x will get cancelled out, right? So a cube minus b cube is 1 plus 1 2. So the original equation got very much simplified. The purpose of all these replacements and some simplifications was to get a simpler equation to work with. Now this seems quite simple, right? So if we see what will be the value of f of 1, so f of 1 will be 2 raised to power 1 by 3 minus the second term will be 0 by 2. And what will be f of 3? F of 3 will be 4 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 2 raised to power 1 by 3, and the denominator is same throughout 2. So are you seeing some relation here? This 2 raised to power 1 by 3 will cancel out this one. So f of 5, let's see the another term. It will be 6 raised to power 1 by 3 minus minus 4 raised to power 1 by 3 by 2. So this will cancel with this one will cancel with this one. It will keep going like that. 6 1 by 3 will cancel with the next one. So let's say we reaches 997. So it will be 998 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 996 raised to power 1 by 3, and this whole thing divided by 2. And let's see the last term, f999. It will be 1000 raised to power 1 by 3 minus what will be here, 998 raised to power 1 by 3. So this thing continues. This will get cancelled out with f995 term. This will get cancelled out with this one. So we are left with, the answer is 1000 raised to power 1 by 3 divided by 2. So basically you have to see how we have solved this problem. We saw the similarity, we figured out what does it resembles, x plus 1 whole square, and then the next term, and we figured out that we should put a cube so as to remove the cube root, and then we worked upon, right? With practice you can solve any problem. The more and more problems you solve, the more expert you will become. Thank you for watching. If you like, please share, subscribe to my channel and Facebook group, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.